Hello everybody. For those of you that have kept up with my channel over the last couple of years, you know that the mini semi has been a project now for about 2.5 years. I've been through a couple different drivetrains. I started out with a lawnmower motor and transmission, and it was quite a bit faster than a lawnmower, but not what I wanted it to be. Everybody used to ask all the time, how fast does it go? How fast is it going? You know, it'd have to be 7, 8 miles an hour or something other like that. And those of you that know this last upgrade I did to it, I put a Suzuki four-wheeler motor in it. And it's quite a bit faster. So this video is to let you hear the new sound that the Suzuki makes, how I can go through the gears with it, and what the top speed is now, which might not sound like a bunch when I show you, but it's plenty fast enough for that mini semi. So hope you enjoy this video. That's a lot of noise. Well, this is top speed now, which is way better than what it was doing, and is plenty fast enough for that thing. Man, cherry lights work pretty good.
Ain't you fancy?
They work really good. Let's see if this will start. Oh, no. She's a little cold collared. Thank you for watching this video from Kevin's Creations. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the thumbs up on the video. Please share it and tell all your friends about it. So, thanks for watching this video from Kevin's Creations.